What's going on, everybody? It's Bait Bucks and Birdies here. Today we're gonna be heading up to Iowa to get some pheasant hunting in. Just got me, Mark, and Landon in the back going to pick up Marquise, and so it's currently 3:03 a.m. Heading to the airport. We'll check up with y'all when we get there. So, peace.
Hi everybody. We're on the plane now. It's 5:05. We take off for 15 minutes. We'll check back in with y'all when we get to Atlanta. Go what? Yeah. Right here. Yeah. Heck yeah.
Never got to mark that one.
Who was that? I definitely hit it twice. Definitely a group effort.
That one got hurt.
Oh yeah, we hit it.
That
Good.
was maybe hard to find. He may be up there, but he was a little, I think, too far fucked up. What's that? Coming at it. Hand?
Hand.
Oh, dirty bitch. Oh, Macy went up there and got it. Good girl. Good girl. Got a girl. There's your bird. Got a girl, Macy.
Good girl.
Good girl. Come here and come see. Is that what you want to do? Yeah. Come here.
Oh, that one got lit up.
Come here. Good girl, Macy. Good girl.
That's cool.
I believe that's yours, dude.
Yeah.
You're definitely the first one to break the hammer down on that one. You broke the wing. Oh. First on that one, too. Good girl.
You sit that in my bag?
Good girl.
Oh my god.
Good girl.
Woo.
You get that on video?
Oh yeah. What? Yeah, it does.
Huh?
Yeah, it does.
Alright, here you go. Let's let these guys get started up real quick.
You got it?
You got a pack cord? Here,
yeah, I do. I got one. I got one. You got it in there, right?
Yeah.
Here, slip it up.
I had to open it up.
Yeah. Good deal. Woo, I might have to like take a layer off. You get warm walking.
You want to walk through this?
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, that's bird.
Yeah, CL,
bird.
stay right inside the edge in the thick stuff, CL. You don't let him squat on the edge.
Upside.
Did you get a bird? That's your first pheasant?
Yeah.
Oh, no, you need a picture with it.
I will.
Dan, what you think? Did you get a shot? For a trip? Bombed on the first one.
That's a big pheasant.
It's a pretty good one.
All right.
Huh?
Remember when I said you shoot a pheasant? You shot a pheasant.
Sure did.
Landon probably stepped on it. Smooth.
Did you see that one that y'all walked right over and then turn around? Yeah.
Yeah. I thought it was a hen.
I got it.
Saw it on the ground?
I just stepped over and I saw it come up. And I mean, it was from me to you.
Yeah.
And I didn't know, nobody said
It's
Richard.
pretty impressive
Until
how
it was
fast
dead.
they get up and get going.
Did you shoot at that one at all?
Believe it.
That's
Did
why
you
you
shoot that
got
one at all?
as many people as possible
I
walking.
thought it was a hen. Nobody said anything.
Yeah.
Queef, you let any eat? Did you let any eat?
Oh, that's you?
You didn't get you a bird?
No, I ain't getting it. I think I did.
Shoot.
I think I did.
Did you?
Man, Queef.
Who shot shit? I was shooting like a zombie, I'll tell you that.
I'm about to do this real quick. How you doing, Queef? Landon, just got an offer on those tires. Just got an offer on those tires. From Caden Ford, $13. Yo, we need more dogs running this. It's not really stuff I can get to very well. Probably need to get down up in there. Huh? Trying to find somewhere I can get down there with y'all. Where? Oh, I see it. It was a hen. I think it was a hen. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was a hen. Hen flushed out the back end. Oh. Easy, easy, easy. Walk it. Blocker! Yeah, walk that ditch. I'm walking close out here. God, there's like a ton of them. Yeah, oh yeah, me too. Hand. Yeah. Stay back. Let's let everyone catch up. Landon, easy. Landon, easy. Stop walking. Let's say, hey, let's try to regroup in the line if we can. I'm pretty sure they're all sitting at the end of this bend down here. Hey, they all flew into the end. Hey, 100 yards. North, 100 yards, 12 o'clock. You gotta at least push them to blockers. And start. Good. John, move his neck, buddy. Twist his neck. Hey, Whit, you gonna walk? Meet me in the middle. Hey. Push out a little bit, Dad. Push out a little bit. Hey, y'all stay there. Yeah. Hey, I almost want to walk through the middle here. We're waiting. We hadn't moved.
Hey, this is where they are. They're in the bed right here. Hey, they're out front. Look, way out there.
I'm gonna walk through the middle here. Whit, I'm on your left. Yeah, I don't see him right now, but I did. Try to figure out how I can get back across. Come on, boys. Good shots. I'm stuck. Landon, go wring his neck. Hey, who killed? That's Landon, right? Ah, no, blockers. Bring it, Dad. Landon, stop being a girl. No, you didn't. No. You stepped on that one? That was their rooster, but Landon, put it in your book bag, put it in your pouch. It's on your neck, Landon. Yeah, a rooster flush behind us.
Hey, there's like 3 more roosters right in here.
Yeah, there ought to be three or so roosters at the end. Do what? Yeah, Whit, you're doing a good job. No, it's not. Yeah, that's a hen. Hey, a hen just flushed out the backside. Yeah.
Come on, get him out of here. Ha! Joey, get him out. I'll get him out, yeah. I can't. Pushed a couple of hens. The little willow branch is short, but it's still over there a little bit. That's in that crop. Yep. In that crop. And that was Gregor. Here.
Dad, we push that way just a little bit. We can split this.
Macy! Forehead can move out further down. Get it on. Get on. Go get it. Get on. Macy!
Push up.
Yeah! That feels good. Drop one leg. Where'd he go? Here! Jeez, it's like World War III. Here. That other dog took off far up there. Maybe one maybe. You know how you try to get early?
Yeah, I did. Did you?
You gotta walk right through that. Walk through it?
Yeah, we'll walk straight through here.
Yeah, get off in that stuff. Watch for quail.
Aren't we? Rooster.
Up high.
God, so we need someone walking that ridge almost.
Yeah. Get back here. Macy! Get back here. You got a running bird? Macy!
Go left a little bit, Lana. Left a little bit. Hey, someone needs to get on top of that hill, because there's a rooster. Yeah, someone probably ought to walk that top side. Let me get around this tree. We are?
Right here, to your right.
Hey, above y'all, back shoulder. God, they're too busy dealing with that one little bird. Any day this millennial, huh?
Good job, Whit.
Whit's manning the trenches. There's a tree right here. I had to walk around it. I've been in there. Oh, hand. Hand. Rooster! Oh, boy, in. I stepped on that thing. Yeah. Huh? Where? You said there's a duck? Got him. Hey ho. Boy, Captain. Had a boy. Come here, buddy. Good boy, Cap. Come here. Good boy. Is he a good boy? Come here. Come here, good boy. Come here. Sit. 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 Good boy. All right, drop. All right, Captain, drop. Drop. Captain, drop.
Yeah, you and everybody else.
Captain, drop. Good boy. Come here. Good boy. Hey, hey, good boy. Come here. Hey, good boy. Hey, drop. Drop. Captain, drop. Hey. Captain, good boy.
That's a good one right there.
I'm pretty sure you smoked that.
I am too. Finally.
That was hilarious. I had no idea.
I had a water bottle in my hand. I dropped it.
Huh?
All right, guys. Just getting back to the hotel. It's about 8:20. Went and had some dinner, but had a freaking awesome day. Shot a lot of birds. Got some great video for you guys.
Really couldn't have asked for much of a better hunt. You know, it's really hard to kind of tell what you're getting yourself into. You can watch all these videos and stuff, but it really doesn't ever do it justice. It's super fun, super exciting, thrilling. I mean, just all of it together. Just being around all the guys, you know, it's just overall great experience. And
the strategy behind it's really cool too.
Yeah, it's awesome. So I was able to get my first pheasant today.
I got my first pheasant.
And so
I mean, I'm not gonna say I got my first pheasant.
But we're here for like 2 or 3 more days. So
Yeah, so got some cool pictures I'll throw in there for y'all as well. But yeah, so I guess that's day 1 right there. We'll catch y'all in the morning.